project management system. This video tutorial is about conversations. Project execution involves constant communication between team members. When project discussion happens over mails, phone calls, or separate messaging platforms, important information gets scattered, making it difficult to track decisions, provide updates, or maintain project context. With conversation in Supista PMS, teams can communicate directly within a project or WPS, ensuring that every discussion remains linked to the work being performed. Let us see how it works. To access conversation, we need to open the required project or work breakdown structure. For example, here I'm opening this. As you can see, over here we have the conversation button. This serves as a centralized discussion space for that specific project or WPS, allowing all project related communications to remain in one place. To share an update, enter your message in the conversation box. You can use this to provide project updates, ask questions, share important information, or communicate decisions with your team. Once your message is ready, you will simply click on post. The conversation will now be visible to users who have access to projects or WPS, allowing everyone to stay informed without switching to external communication tools. Now, if you maybe want to notify a specific employee, you'll go to this button, click on it, and as you can see, all of the listed employees will be mentioned here. You just need to select on that employee, and when that selected employee is added to the conversation, you can simply just type out the message, ensuring that the discussion is directed to the relevant person. This makes it easy to request updates, assign follow up actions, or involve subject matter in the project discussion. After selecting the employee, you will simply, just as we did before, you will simply enter your message and click on post. The conversation will then be available within the project, and the tag team member can view and respond to it as part of the ongoing discussion. Conversations provide a centralized communication channel directly within each project and WBS. It is the same in WBS, as you can see. By keeping discussions linked to the relevant work items and allowing users to involve specific team members, organizations can reduce communication gaps, improve collaboration, and maintain a complete history of project discussions for future reference. With conversations in Supesta PMS, project communication stays organized, contextual, and accessible to the right people. This is it for this video. Thank you very much.